How to discover the writer in you. Have you always wanted to write your memoir? Tell everyone the story of your life? Here is your chance to get started. These are the 4 tips and tricks I use to get my writing mojo moving. Number 4. Read everything you love. Read the best authors in your genre. Read a few bad ones too. Read short fiction, flash fiction and long-form stories. Read until your own sentences form in your head. Write them down. Record them. Don't lose the magic. Pay attention to tone, pacing, sentence and paragraph structure. Hear the dialogue. Feel the emotions. Know the characters. Then form your own writing style and write away. Number 3. Music. This may sound weird, but listening to music can spark old memories. Songs can recall old stories you had all but forgotten. Lyrics can jolt you out of a rut and into a brilliant scene in your story. Roberta Flack and Sade are my go-to artists when I need inspiration. They have several songs I would love to turn into a book or movie. Number 2. Journaling. Also known as writing in your diary or taking notes whenever something comes to mind. If a quick memory comes to you, write it. If a scene idea for your story comes to mind, write it. You get the idea. Write everything down. When it is time to edit is when all the cutting is done. Number 1. Daydream. I know, another tip that sounds weird, but so many characters and places can come to life if you write your daydreams down. Think of all the creative scenes you have read or seen in a movie. I have no doubt they were formed in a dream first before hitting the paper. Happy writing. Best of luck. Be blessed.